how to add or change your URL username on your profile on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to the top here, click on your profile, and now click here on view profile or edit profile here. And after you click on it, now all what you have to do is simple. Just scroll down like this until you find this Vimeo URL. Now add the URL that you want, for example Mark Jacob. Now it's available and click save. Now I just changed my profile URL easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.